Hey gamers, are you looking to build the ultimate gaming PC on a budget? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the best $750 gaming PC build that can handle all your favorite games at 1080p and even 1440p. Let's dive into the specs. Let's kick things off with the heart of any good gaming PC, the processor. For this build, we're going with the AMD Ryzen 5600. This 6-core, 12-thread CPU is the king of budget gaming. It handles gaming and heavier multitasking workloads effortlessly. Priced at just $130, it's an absolute steal for the performance you're getting. This CPU will give you buttery-smooth frame rates without breaking the bank. Trust me, this is the CPU you want for the perfect balance of price and performance. Games. You can snag one for around $280, which is a steal for the performance. Considering the power and features packed into this card, it's an incredible value for gamers on a budget. This card punches way above its weight class gaming world into a visual masterpiece. For a seamless gaming experience, you can pick one up for around $100, which is a steal. For this price, you get a motherboard that offers incredible value, combining high-end features with affordability. Built like a tank, this board will last you for years. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions and heavy usage. The MSI be powerful yet cost-effective system. Now let's talk about memory. 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for gaming. We're going with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 megahertz. While more RAM can be better, 16 gigabytes is more than enough for most gamers. Then it saves you cash for other components like a faster SSD. You can find a good 16 gigabyte kit for around $40. Get yourself a good 16 gigabyte kit and you'll be set for years. We've got our CPU, GPU, motherboard and RAM. Now let's talk storage. Storage is a crucial component that can significantly impact your system's performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just browsing the web, the speed of your storage device can make a world of difference. In 2023, there's no excuse for slow storage. Slow load times can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an intense gaming session or trying to meet a deadline. We're going with a 500 GB NVMe SSD as our primary drive. NVMe SSDs are known for their exceptional speed and reliability, making them the perfect choice for any high-performance PC build, specifically the Western Digital SN570, which balances performance and affordability. This SSD offers impressive read and write speeds, ensuring that your system runs smoothly and efficiently. While 500 GB might seem small, NVMe SSDs offer lightning-fast speeds. This means faster boot times, quicker game loads, and overall snappier performance. Your games will load faster, and your overall gaming experience will improve. No more waiting around for levels to load or dealing with lag during crucial moments. The SN570 is affordable at just $35. It's a small investment for a significant upgrade in performance. For the price of a couple of pizzas, you get blazing fast storage. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to enhance their PC's capabilities. If you need more space, you can always add a larger hard drive or a second SSD. This flexibility allows you to expand your storage as your needs grow. Once you go NVMe, you'll never go back. The speed and efficiency of NVMe SSDs are unmatched, making them an essential upgrade for any modern good power supply, and you'll be thankful down the line. Finally, we need a case to house all these components. We're going with the NZXT H510. This case is sleek, stylish, and easy to build in. It has a clean, minimalist design and plenty of room for upgrades. The H510 is incredibly affordable at just $80. For less than $100, you get a stylish and functional case. What do you think of this $750 gaming PC build? Let me know in the comments below if you'd make any changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and builds. Game on!